Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, kids, tell me what we have learned yesterday. Yes, road safety rules and regulations. So, today, first, we will do the revision of it. Then, we will do one fun activity, and then I will give you the solution of the worksheet which I had given you yesterday. So let's start today's session with the revision of some basic road safety rules and regulations. Know your signals. Kids, we have to follow the signal lights on all the four cross roads. Always walk on the footpath. We have to use the sidewalk whenever we are walking on the road. Cross the road at a zebra crossing only. बच्चों, हमको जब भी रोड क्रॉस करना हो तो हम कहाँ से करेंगे? ज़िब्रा क्रॉसिंग से, राइट। और हमको अपने बड़ों का हाथ पकड़ के रोड क्रॉस करना है। अकेले हम लोग रोड क्रॉस नहीं करेंगे, ओके? Look to your left and then right and hold an elder's hand while crossing the road. बच्चों, अब जब हम ज़िब्रा क्रॉसिंग से रोड क्रॉस करते हैं तब हमको पहले क्या करना है? हमको पहले अपने लेफ़्ट साइड देखना है, फिर राइट साइड देखना है और व्हीकल नहीं आता है तो ही रोड क्रॉस करना है। डू नॉट रन बिहाइंड अ व्हीकल। बच्चों, हमको कोई भी गाड़ी के पीछे दौड़ना नहीं है, हमको लग सकता है, वो हमारे लिए सेफ़ नहीं है। डू नॉट हाइड बिहाइंड व्हीकल्स। बच्चों, आप जब भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सोसाइटी में खेलने जाते हो तो आपको कोई भी गाड़ी के पीछे छुपना नहीं है या गाड़ी के आजू बाजू खेलना नहीं है, वो हमारे लिए सेफ नहीं है। डू नॉट प्ले ऑन द रोड। बच्चों, हमको जब भी खेलना हो तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ? प्लेग्राउंड पे। हम रोड पे खेलेंगे नहीं, वो हमारे लिए सेफ नहीं है। Wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. Kids, whenever we are going out with our family in a car, we have to wear seat belt compulsory because it is very much necessary and safe for all of us. Do not stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicle. बच्चों, आप जब भी बाहर घूमने जाते हो या स्कूल जाते हो वैन में तो आपको जब गाड़ी चलती हो तो खिड़की में से अपने हाथ या मुंह बाहर नहीं निकालने हैं, वो आपके लिए सेफ नहीं है। Stand in a queue. Kids, if you are going to school by van, then you always remember that you have to stand in a queue while boarding and alighting the van, and you are not supposed to stand or walk in a van. Now it's time for a fun activity which you all will enjoy and also learn from it. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. Use your eyes, use your ears before you use your feet. So now kids, let's learn something from this activity. Now tell me kids, what are these? These are roads and this is four cross road. And what is this? This is the signal in the middle of it. And now tell me, what is this? This is a zebra crossing. Look, there is one auntie who is holding the hand of her daughter and wants to reach their home, but they have to cross the road. So now tell me kids, from where they will cross the road? They will cross the road at zebra crossing or from the middle of the road? Yes, they will cross the road at zebra crossing. Very good. But what they will do first? They will Look to the left side and then right side and check that if any vehicles are coming or not. So there are no vehicles on the road. So now they will cross the road at zebra crossing and see they reach their home safely. Now see what is coming. Yes, a car. What we have to wear compulsory in a car? Yes, seat belt. And see, the car have to cross the four cross road. So first we will see the signal. Oh, the car is going on and see the signal becomes red. So what red light says? Stop, stop, stop. See, the car stops because it's a red light and car is waiting for the green light. Now see, the light becomes yellow. So what does yellow light says? Yellow light says get ready and wait till it becomes green. Oh wow, the signal becomes green and so now the car will go away because the green light says go, go, go right away. I hope kids you all have enjoyed the activity. Now I will give you the solution of the worksheet. Kids, in first picture, kids are putting their hands and head outside the moving car. They are not following the safety rules. So we will not put tick in this box. In next picture, the girl is walking on the footpath and the girl is following the safety rules. So we will put tick in this box. In next picture, the kids are playing on the road. So they are not following the safety rules. So we will not put tick in this box. In next picture, auntie and her daughter is looking to the left side and right side that is any vehicle is coming or not because they have to cross the road. So they are following the safety rules. So we will put tick in this box. In this picture, the boy is running behind a car. He is not following the safety rules. So we will not put tick in this box. In this picture, the girl and her father is wearing a seat belt in a car. So they are following the safety rules. So we will put tick in this box. In last picture, auntie and her daughter is crossing the road at zebra crossing. So they are following the safety rules. So we will put tick in this box. I hope kids, you all have finished your worksheet in the same manner. So kids, I hope you all will follow the road safety rules and regulations whenever you will go out with your family. Yes? So, see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.